Hi there. In this video, we will see how to install Play Store on PC. For this, open your Google Chrome browser and then click on these dots right here and then click on the Play Store icon. And Google Play is going to open. To install the Google Play Store, click on these three dots right here, then go to More Tools and then click on Create Shortcut. You can change the name of the shortcut right here. Then check this box where it says Open as a window and then click on Create. And with this, the Play Store is installed on your PC. In order to install a game, select the game you want to install. For example, let's choose this bubble shooter game. Right click on it and select copy link address. Then go to your Chrome browser and search for APK Pure. Then open the first website, apkpure.com. Then go here to this search box and paste your link and click enter. Click this green button here where it says download APK, and the APK file for your app is going to be downloaded. You might have to go through some advertisements before you get to the download. Then you need to open another tab on your browser and type Smart Gaga. Go to this link right here, open it, scroll down and click here where it says download Smart Gaga. Here you have two versions. You have version 4 and version 7. Of course, we will go with version 7 as recent as possible. Click on download and click on download again, and the setup file is being downloaded. As you can see, the setup file has 287 megabytes, so it's going to take a few minutes to download depending on your internet speed. Let's wait for it to finish downloading and then we will install it. And what Smart Gaga is an Android emulator, which is going to allow you to run Android apps on your PC. And it is specially designed for games like Free Fire, PUBG Mobile, Cyber Hunter, etc. Once this Smart Gaga setup file is downloaded, open it to install the software. Say yes to this pop-up window. Click next. I agree. Install. And then click finish to finish the installation. Now open the Smart Gaga application. If you get this window, click allow access. Then click on this APK icon here, which says install external APK. Type here the name of your APK file, which is bubble shooter. Select it and open it, and your application will be installed and you can use it. Another tool that you can use is a tool called BlueStacks, and it works in the same way. You go to this button right here, APK. You load your APK file. It gets installed. It says here installed apps. And when it finishes, you can open it and you can play your game if you want to. So you get the idea. If you want to install this tool, go to their website, bluestacks.com, click on download BlueStacks. Then you open this executable file, say yes, and from there it's a simple next installation. So this is it. That's how you run Android applications on Windows. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.